What's up, traders? This is TRADERCHAMP. So let's have a look on the bronze investment. So since we had a good volume on bill and also a 2% change in the Friday closing, so we have a good volume on bill, and also we had around 2% change in the price for the Friday closings. So let's have a look the future possibilities on the bronze investment. And also I have got a couple of questions regarding the bronze investment future. So even myself having a good hope on bronze investment, because I have identified a good buying level and also a good structure on the bronze investment. So let's have a look. And also I recommend you guys to join my premium, which I have been sharing my personal trades and also my personal investments. So we have done a good performance for the last 2 years. So I believe that you can also make a good profitable income by joining my premium club. So it is not for the short-term traders, because the CSE is not a performing market in the short-term basis. So you should be looking for the long-term investments, which I'm helping right now to my investors. So here you will get my chart updates and also the trading signals, so which is really going to help you guys in the near future. So as well as the trade setup here, I will be sharing the new trading opportunity if I identify a good opportunity on the bronze investment, and also I will be sharing that on my premium club as a signal, so that if you join my premium club, then you will be able to copy that signal and make a profit with me together. So let's have a look on the bronze investment. So here I have identified a good level of structure, so which is basically a good demand zone. So in simple terms, it is support. The reason why, before the price pump that we have seen on the bronze investment, which had taken place during 2021, we had seen a good bearish reversal, and then we had a huge bullish momentum to the upside. So this momentum has been built on this level of support. The reason why we had a good buying interest around this area, so which is basically holding up close to 44.5 level, so is a good reasonable price on the bronze investment as well. So once again, after the price has got down to the downside, when during the market price of bronze investment has got failed during the economical crisis, since then we have seen some good buying levels which has been supported and also validated this demand zone as a major buying zone on the short term as well as on the long term basis. So since the market is confirming that this demand is a good buying level, we also have the current market price, which has met already back towards the following demand zone, which is also highlighting that we have a potential of move back to the upside. So once again, we cannot just predict the market to the upside. We have to validate the confirmation, and also we have to validate the proper price action in order to do our investments. So for the moment, we have a strong selling pressure which has been came up since the 7 rupees that we have been hit during the 2023 of the month of July. So here we see that the potential of reversal that being identified close to this area is significant at the moment, since the seller's pressure has got vanished, and also we are seeing a consolidation price level. Since I have picked up the weekly time frame, this is more accurate with the analysis, because the bronze investment is not showing up a good healthy chart on the lower time frames. So the weekly time frame is the ideal one. So here we have identified that this bearish momentum, which is basically on the weekly time frame, is holding up huge and a very strong bearish pressure to the downside, because we have seen that the price has already respected this level as a sell zone, because we had already a sell zone identified previously during 2023, and also once again the price has got revisited and showed up a bearish momentum to the downside. But still we should keep an eye close to this demand zone, because we have a huge buying potential that can or that may appear in the near future, because we have had a good healthy price momentums identified around this area. So we know that the price around this level is showing up a huge buying interest, so that the case we are seeing a good potential move to the upside. And also we have to validate that a short-term bullish signal in order to enter the investments for Brown's investment. So at the moment we can identify the price is holding up back on the following major zone, so we have to confirm and wait for the proper buying signal. So at the moment we cannot just predict away the bullish momentum, so I will be moving back to the daily time frame, so it will be more precise with the analysis. So on the daily time frame we can identify that this bearish trend is significant at the moment, so we have to wait for the proper confirmation on the daily time frame. So once I have connected these lows on the daily time frame, we can identify that we have a bearish trend which is being reacting as a resistance on the lower time frames in order to follow up the bearish momentum. So here we are waiting for the price to confirm a bullish breakout to the upside in order to expect the bullish momentum to continue the run or the ride to the upside towards the following resistance zone that we have identified previously during the sell-off that has happened close to the 7 rupees. So here we should wait for the price to confirm a bullish breakout away from this following bearish trend that we have picked up here. So for the moment this is going to be the trend that we should keep an eye closely on the daily time frame, but still we have a huge potential of move to the upside, since we are on a huge buying pressure or buying level that has been initiated previously around 4.5. So at the moment the initial target that I am expecting to see is close to 7 rupees on the daily time frame, but still we have more potential move back to the upside once the price confirms the major trend breakout that has been created on the daily time frame. So this is just a short-term confirmation, so to be more accurate with the analysis we should keep an eye close to this triangular pattern that I have picked up here. So I will be showing you guys this triangular pattern that which the price has already built. So once I have connected these higher swings that which the price has already created, so I will be removing these circles for a while. So to be more accurate with the analysis, we can see that these highs that which the price has created is playing an important role on the market structure. The reason why once we have connected these lower highs, we can identify a trend which has been built inside the daily time frame and also on the weekly time frame. Once we identify this trend and also this following support, we can clearly identify that this is being played inside a triangular pattern, so which is basically a descending triangle, so which is so here I'm using this descending triangle and also a bullish setup that we have identified here. So this is how the bill or the Brown's investment has been reacted on this price level. So once the price has got reversed back to the following support, right now we are moving back, we are expecting a move back to the upside. So once this reversal happens on the minor time frames, then we have to wait for the price to confirm a bullish momentum to the upside. So this is how the Brown's investment has printed its price action. So right now we are close to this level, so since we are on the support, we have to wait for the price to show up a bullish reversal once again. Since we are waiting for the bullish reversal to confirm, in order to achieve a higher target, we have to wait for the price to confirm a bullish breakout away from this trend line and show up a bullish momentum continuing to the upside. So here this is how Brown's investment should work out on the daily time frame and also according to the trade plan. So here right now it is clear that we are on the following support as I have mentioned here. So once the price confirms, I will be removing this short-term trend line for a while. So once the price confirms this bullish momentum to the upside, then we have to wait for the price to confirm a bullish breakout to the upside away from the trend line and also breaking this trend line that which the price has created by connecting these lower highs. So once the price confirms the bullish breakout to the upside, then we have to wait for the confirmation. So this is how we should work on Brown's investment in order to achieve a higher target or a higher profitable income in the near future. So these are the basic concepts and also the valid confirmations that I'm personally looking at the moment. Once the price confirms a bullish reversal around this area, then I will be looking back towards the market to identify a bullish breakout to happen over this following trend line, and then I will be entering my long positions over this Brown's investments. So here right at the moment, the initial target based on the price action that I'm expecting over the bullish momentum is this. So this is the first level that I'm expecting to see on the bullish momentum, and then I will be expecting to see the next swing high as the second target on the Brown's investment. The reason why we have a strong selling pressure identified close to this level, so we have a chance of seeing a reversals identified once the price hits these minor resistance identified on the daily time frame. So this is how you should work out on the Brown's investment, and this is how you should validate the confirmation and also the price action for Brown's investment. So if you have no idea of identifying these confirmations, or you are not yet familiar with how to identify these confirmations or enter the positions on the perfect market price, I recommend that you should join my premium club in order to identify these signals and also to copy my trade signal. So I will be surely sending out the trade signal once the price confirms a bullish momentum, and also you can know that where to take out your profits, and also I will be guiding how to exit the trade if by any chance if the price invalidates the trade setup that we have been discussed here. So this is the update for Brown's investments, and also I recommend you guys to join my new WhatsApp channel that I created recently on WhatsApp. So I have left my links down below on the description. So this is the update for Brown's investments, and hope this analysis is useful, and make sure to thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.